So today Isabella is going to show you on how to make her lemonade.
It's good and it keeps corona away and it's vitamin C.
Yes.
C. Get it? C.
Yes. Now the ingredient. This is just a very simple ingredients. Of course, we need a
lemon squeezer and water and lemon and a glass. Be careful of glass. And sugar and salt.
Yes. So now, let's get started.
So first, we open the lemonade squeezer and then you put the lemon in it. Now hold it like this, put it like this, and then squeeze it. Then all the juice are out. That's all if it's already squeezed like this. Now for the second one. So we have a water so we're going to fill up. Now if it's really less, right? You can see blob, right? And there's if you have like a seed, just be careful. Use some spoon or anything. Type if there's a seed in there. Oh, there's a seed. I'm removing carefully. I don't want anything to drop or spill. There, got it out. Yuck, gross. Now we need to put the water in. If it's to the top, then it's okay. Oh, that's too much, guys. That's why ask your parents for help. Now, if this one you don't want to, if it's like do not nice, and then put ice if you want. It's not look nice for me without ice, so I'm going to put ice over here. That's the end. Okay. So now we need to give a good mix. Now we need to put our sugar and our salt. Just put little piece because
that's not much. That's too much.
It's not good for your health or something. Like that. Now let's give a good mix. Now we need to put the ice and choose any ice you want. I used a little present and this obviously. Up. And now put the sun there. See? It's finished. Now if you want a good taste it. Tastes good. So this is how you make your lemonade. Easy to simple to make your lemonade. And it's very good and healthy for you. You can try one too. By the way, thanks for watching. Bye.